Hi guys, the 1st of May has passed, meaning there's a new ISO out there for the kiro-iso. And I've decided to make several videos rather than one big long video about what has been done in April. And it was an Easter holiday and a lot of work has been done. I'm gonna keep this one, archlinux tweak tool, as last since I'm still working on it. And archlinux nemesis has already explained, so this number 5. So let's go for archlinux-logout-gtk4. As you see, there's a new Neo Candy, and if you have the archlinux logout, it's gtk4. That's one of the things, right? With the help of Claude, we've migrated gtk3 to gtk4, which is also, well, not a small thing. And like I said, Neo Candy, that's basically what you're looking at, this color scheme, these icons. That's the Neo Candy icons. That's what I'm always working on. And I've created one here as well. Where are you? So these guys are now part of the logout. If we press Super X, we get these things, right? And we can now set some more things. Opacity was there already. Icon size, you can make this bigger. Font size, if you can't read it, what is there to read? Wait a little bit, cancel, escape, right? If you don't know them yet, you hover over them and at some point in time, you know, L is gonna log out and the other one, the shutdown, is gonna be S, right? That's the main thing I always use, log out, shutdown, or escape, meaning get out of here again. So Super X, archlinux logout, is working on Ubuntu, is working on Mint, right? On the others, I haven't tested it, I don't care. But of course they should work on Arch, right? That's the thing. Show text, you can show them all the time, which is maybe silly. Suspend and hibernate, I don't want them, so they're out. And here you can choose all the nice things that we've developed over time. And a new one now, if we go to save settings, basically you're going to save something somewhere, right? Control H. Where are most of the things in Linux? They're either in the local or the config. Local is more, let's say, Plasma. Go and have a look there. And config is here, the archlinux logout. This little file says opacity 80, icon size 120, font size 14, show text false. These are the buttons I want, or you add hibernate, you add suspend. Here you can type it, or you go to the tool, right? Battle log screen is there, handy is our theme, and the key bindings, you can change them as well if you don't like the key bindings. So anything is possible, and that's the archlinux logout configuration. There's also one you may want to know. If you did not set anything, there's here as well the archlinux logout, the default one. So we can drag it like this. This is the default one if you don't have one in your home directory, right? All right, that's it, I think. A lot of testing events per button visibility checkboxes added to settings pop over, true. DE detection logic improved, sure. So the desk environment, multi-monitor handling fixed, fine. And of course, as usual, you'll find information from Claude and the change log. You can read more here in detail, but sometimes he just stops at certain things and say, why don't you write more? And otherwise, he's really into describing everything we've done. So you can, if you're a technical guy, you can read it up, read it here, if it makes sense to you. GTK grid and all that, GTK check buttons. So basically, if you go for this thing, right, we have now these buttons, that's new. And yeah, we had to make some other choices, new choices that we did not need to make in GTK3. So GTK4 is going to be, well, different, right? Feels different, responds different, but it is GTK4, right? That's okay. It's future proof now. Well, till GTK5 is there. That's it for archlinux logout. Yes, you heard me well. This actually also works on Ubuntu, right? Or Linux Mint or others. Why? This is just a configuration file, and here is the user bin. You launch this thing. There's also a better lock screen, so Super K locks your screen. You get a nice fish or something else, wallpaper. This is all okay, right? Any Linux system gets this, and then later on you have all these files and Python files which other systems also understand, and it will work as well there. And I'm using it there. All right. Have fun using the arch-linux-logout. It's an easy way to just visually have something nice to get out of your system. Cheers.